Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about MySQL join statement. MySQL join statement. There are four important MySQL join statements. Join clause is used to combine rows from one or more tables based on a related column between the other tables. You use join clause to combine different tables together depending on the column that they have that are related. We call it relationship. For example, there are many types of join, but what I will discuss here is joins that are supported by MySQL. The first one is inner join. Inner join is used to have a matching values. Inner join return record that have matching value from the both table. For example, this is an inner join diagram example. It is going to return only the ones that are in table 1 and also in table 2. The ones that are in table 2 that are also in table 1, only this green part is what is going to be returned. On left join, it will return all the record on the left table and the matching record on the right table. It will return all the record in table 1 and matching record in table 2. That is just the ones that matched it in table 2. The same thing with right join, and on cross join, it will return the whole table 1 and table 2. But the difference is that it will return table A row 1 to table B row 1, table A row 1 to table B row 2, table A row 1 to table B row 3. The same thing, table A row 2 to table B row 1, table A row 2 to table B row 2, table A row 3 to table B row 3. The same thing. So let us get to practical. So now we are going to launch our SQL environment. Let's use command prompt, run as administrator. Yes. So go and locate the folder where you have MySQL, bin, copy this, say change directory, MySQL user root password, type your password. So now we are in the MySQL environment. We show databases so that we will determine the database we are going to use. So let us use employment. Let's use employment. We are now using employment. Let us see the tables that are in employment. So show tables. So there are two tables, department and employee. Let's see the structure of department. So department has ID, name and HOD. Let's see the structure of employees. So they have ID, department ID, gender, name, salary. So the column that are related here is this department ID and this ID. They are related column. Department has ID, employee has department ID. So they are two related column. So the first thing we are going to do is let us see the content of these two tables. Select of department. So these are the departments that we have in this table: finance, IT, procurement, security, cleaner. Let's see the content of employee table. So we have 7 records in employee table. Now we are going to use these two tables to practice left join, right join, inner join, and cross join. The first you are going to do is inner join. This is showing you what I've actually showed you before. We have the first table employee, have second table department. So let's do an inner join statement. Select employee name, that is employee name, department name, that's department name, as department. So when it selects this department name, it will name a department from employee inner join department, where employees department ID, employee department ID is equal to department.id. So wherever this column match this column, it's going to pick it. Let's see the result. So that simply means that unique person is on finance. See, finance ID is 1. Unique person is 1. So he is actually on finance department. He's actually in finance department. Uche Charity is in finance department. Look at it. Uche, that's department ID 1. And what is the ID 1 here? Finance. Right? James Okafor is in information technology. James Okafor is in department 2, and 2 here is information technology. AI Bundi is on procurement. AI Bundi is department ID is 3. What is 3 here? Procurement. Eli Alfred is in security department. Eli Alfred 4. What's number 4 here? Security department. So you will see that inner join matches these two tables and select only where the two of them matched. Only where the two of them matched. Please note that the inner join keyword selects all rows from both tables as long as there is match between the columns. So let us go to MySQL left join. MySQL left join, we select everything on the left table and the one that matched it from the right table. It will select all employee and their respective department. It will even select both employee that doesn't have department. Let's see. This is the query. Select employee name. Select employee name, department name as department from employee left join. So it will first of all select all employee, left join department on employees dot department ID equal to department ID. So it is going to select first all the employees, then it will select the matching department, and it will leave null on the ones that doesn't have department. So look at it. This one is on finance, information technology, procurement, security. This Zenith Alfred did not have a department. It's selected as null. This Helen Alfred, there's no department for her, so it's selected as null. This is the same diagram that I screenshot to this place. So let's check my SQL right join keyword. It will select all the departments and all the employees that are attached to each department. It will even select department that doesn't have anybody on it. So let's see. This is for right join. Select employee name, department name as department from employee right join department on employee dot department equal to department.id. Right join. So what happens here is it's selecting department. What happens here is it's selecting all department and is joining it with their respective employee. Look at it. First, it selected all the departments. Then it now selects the respective employee. For example, look at this cleaner. There is nobody. There is no employee that is attached as a cleaner, so it dropped it as null. It dropped it as null. So this is a screenshot of what we just did right now. The right keyword returns all the content of the right table, then matched it with the left table and return only the ones that are matched on the left table. So what is remaining now is what we call cross join. I've explained cross join before, so let's get started on it. Look, this cross join is going to select name and match its name with all the department. Each name, that means each name will have how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will match each name with each row of the department. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean. It will match each name with each row of the department. Each name with each row of the department. Each name with each row of department. That's why we call it cross join. From this, it will go to this, this, this. So that's why we call it cross join. Let me show you the drawing. This is the drawing. Cross join. You see, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3. And this is why we call it cross join. I hope you are able to understand what MySQL join will do for you when you are writing your MySQL query. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If there is any topic you want us to discuss, please drop it on the comment box. If you have any contribution, please drop it on the comment box. Have a nice day.